And today our discussion or address is premised on the new NERA fees, the revised fees that would like the public to follow to access our services. I would like to inform you all that we have made changes to the fees structure or the policies we've been having, and we have already started. On some of them, and for other services we haven't started. And we have maintained actually some of the fees structures. For instance, for someone to register for national IDs, it will still be free of charge. For citizens that have never registered, you will still register and get your national ID for free. You will not incur any cost or you will not pay anything. Then, if you lose your national ID for replacement of the lost national IDs, you will pay 50,000 shillings, and you will pay from any bank of your choice on the URA account, and you will not incur any other cost. And the procedure is simple. You get a police letter which is free of charge. Then you pay 50,000 shillings in the bank. You proceed to the nearest NERA office for replacement. Then, in case you have a damaged or defaced ID, it is different from a lost national ID. A lost national IDs will pay 50,000, but for the damaged or defaced IDs will pay 200,000 shillings. And please note that all the money is paid through the bank. We do not receive cash in any of our offices. Then for those who will be changing particulars, you are changing age, you are changing names, and you accept that the mistake was done by you. It wasn't our mistake. For that matter, you'll be paying 200,000 shillings. It was initially 50,000 shillings. We have increased this to 200,000 shillings. We have had cases of